In this video we are going to understand how to play a song using Scratch, and for that we will be needing a new sprite, let's say a speaker. So in the search box we are going to search for a speaker, and we will take this, and we don't need the cat sprite, so we are going to delete that. And we need a backdrop, so onto the gallery from the search box we can search for any background. Here I'm taking this one, and place the speaker anywhere on the screen where you desire for. And now is the time to give the instruction. So from the events category we are taking that when we are going to click on the green flag, then the music should play. So we are taking this play sound, and here you can see in the drop down list there are many different sounds available. So once you click on the green, it will play the sound for you like this. And to get a continuous sound we are going to use a loop here, so you can use a forever block here and place the instruction inside the block. Now once you click on the green flag, so it will like this. And we are going to save the work. So from the menu, let's say this is play a song, and we are through.